Hey, it's Saturday and it's November 25th, 2017. It's 10:15 p.m. Eastern Time. We're running way late. This is the crypto update. Alright, we're going old school on you tonight, and there's reasons for that. I'll explain them as we go. We're going to start out with the top 10 volume coins on the market. And what we have, of course, is Bitcoin in number one. And look at that, $8,836.16. That is orgasmic. All-time record high. Let's go check it out. Let's see what today's high was. We're at 88.36 right now. When I left the house, it was at 86, and that was darn good news. Today, the Bitcoin's all-time world record high is $8,901.15. And the way it's going, it looks like we're going to catch up with that. Awesome sauce, Bitcoin. Yeah. Making a lot of people rich. Number two in volume is Ethereum. Came down a little. Well, it's about even from where it was this time yesterday. But it did hit 483 for an all-time high yesterday. Litecoin is third in volume, and it's 87.78. So Litecoin's up almost 12 points on the day. Way to go, Litecoin. Number four in volume is Bitcoin Cash, and down 2.72%. Bitcoin Gold is number five, and down 5.61%. Neo comes out of nowhere and is number six in volume. Although the value of the coin is not quite impressive. It didn't even gain 1 point, but it did have a lot of trade and a lot of volume in Neo today. Dash comes in seventh and is up 9.61%. Ethereum Classic is eighth. Up 3.19%. Zcash is number 9 and up just 1.4%. Ripple rounds out the top 10 and is 0.62% up, so Ripple is still struggling. IOTA would be honorable mention, gaining 11.5 points on the day. Anything you want to take a closer look at? Today's high would be, the biggest gainer of the day would be Litecoin. For the first time ever since the crypto update has started, today's big gainer is Litecoin. The biggest tanker of the day would be Bitcoin Gold. So a lot of people, they got their Bitcoin Gold a couple of days ago at Bittrex, and it looks like some of them are selling it at this point. Looks like they held it for a day and said, that's good enough. I don't know. That's just a guess. It's only down not even 6 points, so it should be okay. I don't know if I'm gonna do your questions next time, tomorrow night. I just got back from Dollywood. And there's so much to do there that, you can't. We were trying to pack everything in one day, and it's just impossible to do it. And we wanted to make the most out of it, so we all decided to stay. And they said, John, you can be late on the crypto update. Your people are crypto heads. They're understandable people, and they love you. And so I said, you know what, you're right. Let's stay at Dollywood and have some fun. So we rode all the crazy rides, and that Eagle ride is freaking nuts. If you go to Dollywood, I forget, it has like the Screaming Eagle or something. It's the Eagle. Right, you'll know when you see it. Pretty intense ride there. And I am worn out, man. I am freaking beat. We are going to go check out and see what's in the top news today. Just look at some headlines, see if we find anything interesting. Skim through some stuff. New trading tip column. Who cares? Satoshi Revolution, Chapter 3. Bitcoin Cash Community creates grassroots funding initiative. What the hell is that all about? Who gives a shit? Market update. Bitcoin bulls push the price above 86. You can change that headline to 89, thank you. Yep, we're bullish. We love our coin of bits. Real crypto heads love Bitcoin and think it's going to go to, I don't know, $30 trillion. Deal with that. Swiss bank chairman on crypto. Central banks are working on this very intensely. Working on what? What are the central banks working on? Let's go check this out. Swiss bank chairman crypto. Just pick up the keywords. International bankers daily confronting 800-pound gorillas. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever their statement, they're no longer claiming ignorance. Bankers heavy sigh. Virtual currencies. A lot of this is fluff, I can tell. I'm a writer. Many unsolved questions. Central banks are working on the issue of cryptocurrencies very intensely. Swiss Bank National Chairman Thomas Jordan explained it is very important. It is very important to say it is not a question of technology, but a question of who has access to central bank money and in what form. There are up to now many unsolved questions. Just come to me, guys. I'll answer your questions. We don't like bankers as much as you don't like us, so stay the fuck out of our business. How's that? Central banking systems. Look at this guy. And just look at him. Just look at that. And you know what? Just be glad he's not your father. Look at him. He's either stoned out of his head or he's just insane. Anyway. Sorry, I don't usually make fun of the way people look. I'm not the prettiest guy in the world either. I don't want to read in front of you guys. This article doesn't say shit. It's poorly written, and I'm sorry for whoever wrote it, but it doesn't say anything. That's about it. I don't see if there's anything major going on in the news. It would have been the top headline, and we're getting into 3 days ago now. Nothing going on. You see, they can't trash Bitcoin now. Nobody can trash Bitcoin because it's up to $8,900. So all your FUD articles and all this other shit, you know, and proofs in the pudding, dudes. Peace and love and understanding, folks. Buy Bitcoin.